All right. So this was your yesterday's test. Okay. And I have checked the test. Performance is good. But still, I would like to discuss the answers so that whatever mistakes you have committed, those mistakes should not be repeated in the upcoming exams. Okay. So let us discuss the test. All right. Observe the table club given below. Member ID, member name, address, age, and fee. What is the cardinality? The first answer. What is the cardinality and degree of given table? So degree, we know the number of attributes in the table. So degree is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And cardinality is number of records. So M0001, M0002, M0003, M0004. There are 4 records. So cardinality is 4. Am I clear and clearly audible to everyone? Moving over to the second part. Right? If a new column contact number is added and 3 more members join the club, how these changes will affect the degree and the cardinality? The examiner is saying in the given table, 1 more column is added. So total columns are now 6. 5 were earlier, 1 newly added, 5 plus 1, 6. 3 more members, 4 members are already there, 3 more join. Total members are 7. So cardinality becomes 7. This question was appropriate for everyone, but there was one mistake committed by all of you. Mistake was committed in the third part. In the third part, bete, I am asking which field will be suitable primary key and why. But obvious, member ID. Member ID is the suitable primary key. Suitable primary key will be member underscore ID. First answer. Bete, is everybody here? Na? Are all of you here in the lecture? Please show me your presence, all of you. Okay, fine. Thank you, 12th. Beta, iska jo reason tha na, what you people are writing, it does not contain duplicate values. Is this reason sufficient? No. Primary key field has 2 major conditions. Because, or give the heading reasons. It has no duplicate values. It does not contain any null value. This was proper answer and proper reason for the answer. Now things are clear to you. If next time you get such a question, bete, you have to specify both the conditions for your primary key. Okay, bete? Right? So this was your first question. Now proceeding to the second question. Name any 4 DDL commands. Okay, first of all, anyone tell me what is the full form of DDL? Yes, please. Any one of you tell me. Yes, Mohit, unmute yourself.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning, Mohit.
Sir, definition language.
Data definition language. Very good. Shabash, Mohit. Keep it up. So these are those statements which deals with the structure, the creation of the table. Okay. अब यहां पे क्या गलती की है आप लोगों ने? You have given the name of the partial command. Create. It is not create. Create table. Bete, don't give the partial names. Create table. Rename. Alter table. Drop table. These are the commands which are in connection with the table. DESC. Table name. Okay. Got it, all of you? Am I clear to everyone attending the lecture? All right. Second part of the question. 2 constraints. Any 2 constraints. Beta, constraints are the validation checks that restricts the value from being entered in the column. Okay. You put a restriction that what type of values can be entered in a particular column. To whichever column you have applied the constraint. Clear? So there are so many constraints like primary key constraint, unique key constraint, foreign key constraint, check constraint, default constraint, not null constraint. Okay. So many constraints are there. I have asked just 2, right? Okay. Now coming to the table question. यहाँ पे mistakes हुई हैं. So per mistake, half mark was deducted. 1 mark was for the command. And if any mistake is there, half mark per mistake is deducted. Okay. So be very particular when you are attempting the table question of MySQL. Okay. First command. To display the R code and place of all 5-star resorts in the alphabetical order of place from table resort. First, select R code, comma, place from resort. Okay. Where type equal to 5-star, order by place. Got it? In this question, 2 conditions have been given to you. One, you are to find for all the 5-star type hotels. Secondly, it is to be arranged in alphabetical order of place. order by place. And every MySQL statement must be terminated with the semicolon. Okay. I hope now I am clear to everyone. Second, to display the maximum and minimum rent for each type of resort from table resort. वो कह रहा है आपके टेबल में जितने भी टाइप के रिजॉर्ट्स हैं, हर टाइप का मैक्सिमम और मिनिमम, बट ऑब्वियस ग्रुप बाय कमांड. बट यहां पर आप स्टूडेंट्स ने क्या किया है, यू पीपल हैव गिवन सेपरेट कमांड फॉर मैक्सिमम, सेपरेट कमांड फॉर मिनिमम. दैट इज नॉट वैलिड. It is one command, not divided into two parts. Select max rent, comma, min rent from resort, group by type. That's it. So simple. उसने हर टाइप का बोला है ना. हमारे पास कौन कौन से टाइप्स हैं? 2 स्टार, 5 स्टार, 4 स्टार, 7 स्टार. What is the minimum rent in 2 star? What is the maximum rent in 2 star? If resort is 4 star, what is the maximum? What is the minimum? If type is 5 star, what is the maximum? What is the minimum? Similarly, if the resort is 7 star, what is the maximum? What is the minimum? Am I clear to everyone? To display details of all resorts which were started after 31st December, after, from table resort. Select डिटेल्स कहा है तो एस्ट्रिक आएगा, डिटेल्स कहा है तो एस्ट्रिक ही आएगा. फ्रॉम रिजॉर्ट which were started after this, where start date more than quotes 31st December 05 quotes closed semicolon. Many of you have not given the quotes around the date. कितने बच्चों ने डेट को कोट्स में, सिंगल या डबल कोट्स में एनक्लोज नहीं किया? बेटा, अल्फा न्यूमेरिक डाटा is always enclosed in single or double quotes. अभी देखो R code है. All of you pay attention on the R code. R code is R001. It is alphanumeric. It is alphanumeric. तो ये भी सिंगल कोट में या डबल कोट्स में आएगा. Similarly, date. Date is every time enclosed in quotes. Half mark has been cancelled if date was not enclosed in the quotes. Am I clear to all? Deduction of marks, why they are deducted, reason is clear to everyone. Now don't repeat these mistakes in the upcoming pre-boards. Okay. Now proceeding to the B part of this. इसमें हमारा पहला, select minimum rent from resort where place is Kerala. First of all, find the Kerala place. Kerala is here, 12,500. Kerala is here also, 11,000. Two rents are there for Calera. Minimum rent is 11,000. Okay. You know the best way to give the output as per SQL format? Min bracket rent draw this line, then write here 11,000. This is the appropriate way to give the, अगर हम प्रॉपर फॉर्मेट की बात करें तो ये फॉर्मेट होता है. ओके, इन प्रैक्टिकल फाइल्स you have to write the output in proper format. Don't write direct output. In practical files, be careful. You have to write the output in the proper formation. Okay. Then number 2, select type and start date. Two things are asked, so make two headings. Two things have been asked, so make two headings. Okay. From resort, where type equal to 2 order by start date. Okay. वो कह रहा है टाइप और स्टार्ट डेट बताओ ओनली फॉर 2 resort, but order by date. Now anybody can tell me order by का फॉर्मेट क्या होगा? Ascending के descending? What will be the order of date? Yes, Anushka.
Sir, ascending order.
Yes, very good, Anushka. Ascending because the examiner has not given the DESC keyword. So default ordering is ascending. So 2 अब 2 कितने रिजॉर्ट हैं? 1, 2 and 3. So 3 एंट्रीज तो होंगी. ओके. Two star. Okay. Now date in alphabetical order. Sorry, proper order, ascending order. Where the question has gone? Yeah. It is 25th November 05, 12th April 1999, 15th October. So first is 12th April 99. ये पहली हो गई. 2 सेकेंड हो गई 25th November 2005, 15th October 2008. तो असेंडिंग ऑर्डर की बात करें तो 25th November 05 and then last will be your 15th October 2008. Am I clear with the output question? Any doubt you people have? Anything you want to ask? Now I think you have. Yes, Sanvinder has some. Yes, Sanvinder, please unmute yourself.
सर, जो पहले वाली फील्ड्स होंगी वो नहीं आएंगी इस वाले में?
पहले वाली फील्ड बच्चे क्यों आएंगी? आप क्वेश्चन पढ़िए बेटे. उसने सिर्फ टाइप और स्टार्ट डेट पूछा है.
हमने वो नहीं लिखनी है आंसर में, मतलब साथ में इनके.
सनविंदर देखो मेरी बात सुनो. अभी डोंट अनम्यूट. ओके.
हाँ जी सर.
अगर एग्जामिनर कह रहा है सिलेक्ट स्टार मींस कंप्लीट डिटेल, कंप्लीट रिकॉर्ड, फिर तो ये सारी फील्ड आ जाएंगी ना. R00 दिस गोवा, ये पूरा रिकॉर्ड आ जाएगा. बट अगर आपके आउटपुट में उसने सिलेक्टेड फील्ड पूछी है फिर सिर्फ वही आएंगी, then only those, not others.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Thank you, sir.
it's okay. Any other doubt to any other child? Mohit, Anushka, Abhishek, Sukhmani, Jatin, Maulik, Tushar, Bhavneet. Tushar तो टेस्ट करता ही नहीं है. Tushar has no interest in attempting the computer test, I guess. Tushar, may I know the reason for not doing the test? 12th class, tests are the only way to prepare you for pre-boards and boards. And I have one great deep request: never attempt the test by doing any sort of cheating or opening e-notes or book. Attempt it yourself, keeping faith on you. Don't worry for the marks. You may get 2 marks less, you may get 5 marks less. That is okay, tolerable. But at least you will get to know right now where you stand in for pre-board and boards. आप अपने आप को इवैल्यूएट कर पाओगे कि अभी आप कहां स्टैंड कर रहे हो. Okay, and if any genuine problem is there, intimate me the reason, take permission from me, and you can do test at some later time, but attempt the test, right? And if for any reason your name is coming in the group, do contact me and clarify the doubt with me. Otherwise, what happened? The image of a child get very loose in eyes of teacher. Whatever the reason may be, if for any reason your name is there, immediately contact me and tell me and clarify your problem. Okay? This is expected from 12th class child. Because you are mature students, maturity is expected from 12th. Okay? So this was about your test. And many of you are getting 14 and a half, but still whatever mistakes were there, one mistake was this, which I am shading right now, and second mistake was here in this command and in this date. Rest everything was okay. Clear? So now I quit from MS Word and I shifted to your the questions for practical file that I am discussing with you these days. This question we have discussed, DVD. I have discussed this question also with you. Have I discussed this question? Transact an amount. Anybody please tell me? Okay, this complete question I have discussed. I don't think so. No, I have not discussed this. Output questions were left, I guess. Output question were left. So I'm opening the notepad over here. Is the notepad window visible? All right. First output, fifth part. Select ANO, a name from account where address not in Chennai and Bangalore. Now what examiner is asking? ANO and a name. So draw this format. ANO, a name from account where address not in Chennai and Bangalore. Chennai or Bangalore को छोड़ के, not in. Not in is a membership operator. Not in कहता है इनको छोड़ के बाकी सारे. So this is our account table. Chennai and Bangalore. Let me, yeah, Chennai and Bangalore. So Bangalore छोड़ के, Chennai छोड़ के पहला आ गया 103 Ali Reza. Then Chennai छोड़ के Chandigarh 105 Simran Kaur. Clear? Am I clear to everyone? See the format. Carefully see the format. How I have written the output. Same format is expected from you in the practical files. Okay? Sixth question. Select distinct ANO. अब यहां पे distinct आ गया. Distinct ANO. Anybody can tell me the meaning of distinct? Meaning of distinct. Earlier also I asked this question. What is the meaning of distinct? Distinct ANO from transact table. What this command means? Who will tell? What is the meaning of this command, bete? Yes, Maulik.
Sir, this command eliminates duplicate value.
Yes. Distinct keyword eliminates the duplicate values from the particular field to which it has been applied. Very good, Maulik. So this is the transact table and this is our ANO. So we have to write all the ANO by removing duplicate values. 101, 103, 102. That's it. Okay. All right. Seventh. Select ANO, count star, minimum amount. क्या क्या पूछा है? ANO, count star, min amount. Okay. From transact, group by ANO. इसके बेस पे ग्रुपिंग इसके बेस पे है. Having count star more than one. बेटा एक होता है where clause, एक होता है having clause. बेटा where clause is applied to individual rows and it does not handle aggregate functions. Having clause is applied to entire group when condition is applied on the entire group and it handles the aggregate functions. This is the difference between where and having clause. You want to ask something, Maulik? Unmute your, okay. अब वो कह रहा है ट्रांजैक्ट टेबल में जाओ, ये तीन चीजें नोट करो, पर उनकी जिनकी अकरेंस, काउंट स्टार का मतलब क्या होता है? काउंट स्टार मींस टोटल अकरेंस. जिनकी टोटल अकरेंस एक से ज्यादा है. लेट अस गो हियर. 101 यहां पे है, 101 यहां पर है, तो 101 आ गया, दो बार ही आया. ओके. एंड मिनिमम अमाउंट 101 2500, 101 12,000, 2500. How many have understood what I am doing? How many have understood what I am doing? Okay. Then 103 यहां भी है, 103 यहां भी है, दो बार. अकरेंस एक से ज्यादा है, कहता है काउंट स्टार मोर देन 1, ये देखो जिनकी अकरेंस एक से ज्यादा बार है। 103 इज डबल टाइम, 3000 1000, 2 times 1000 is the minimum amount. Okay, got it? 8th output. Select count star sum amount. Count star and sum of the amount from transact where date of transaction less than equal to 2017 June 1st. इस डेट से नीचे नीचे जो भी ट्रांजैक्शंस हैं उनकी अकरेंस काउंट करो और उनकी अमाउंट का सम करो। 2017 जून, जून से पहले हो गया मई, मई होगा, यस इट विल बी मई, एंड जून ऑल्सो। लेस देन इक्वल टू बोला है ना, लेस देन इक्वल टू। Okay, so it is count star 1 2017 6 की अमाउंट का सम है 3000, नहीं टोटल आएगा, टोटल 2 एंट्रीज आर देयर एंड सम इज 5000। ये 2 ट्रांजैक्शन हो गई ना, ठीक है। इन कितनी टोटल एंट्रीज हैं, इस डेट के बराबर कितनी टोटल एंट्रीज है, 2, और उनका सम क्या है 5000। क्लियर? एम आई क्लियर टू ऑल? ऑल राइट।